Is the Call of Duty app says unable to connect to game while playing game? Now if you find that you can't play the Call of Duty game because of this unable to connect to games error, then watch this video to fix your problem. So let's get started. First, you need to fix the unable to connect to games. You need to check the internet issues. Open setting, scroll down, tap additional setting, scroll down, tap developer option, scroll down, turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, turn on always keep mobile data on if you are using mobile data on your device. After that, reopen setting, scroll down, tap apps, tap manage apps, search for Call of Duty apps, tap on it. Now first turn on auto start. Tap app permission, enable files and media, enable location, go back, now scroll down, tap battery saver, choose no restriction, enable all the settings. Now tap clear data, tap clear all data, tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next one. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap search option, type Call of Duty, and quickly check for a new software update for Call of Duty application. If you still have issues, please tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching.